Hello, my name is Fikar Salomon. I'm one of the students who got attend on EAGLOPEN Lab, and it was a great opportunity that I got to learn the basic program of Python. And I advise for other students and other people to get in because it's can be considered as extracurricular. Not only that, but also we have found a lot of students who can be our friend and who will be going within our journey. And I would like to say thanks for the teachers. And again, I suggest you to learn. Thank you so much.